Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off AutoPay on a Scotiabank credit card. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch the Scotiabank app and make sure you're in the home section and you should see your credit cards right here. Now just identify the credit card you want to cancel AutoPay for and then tap on it. Now to turn off AutoPay, what I want you to do is I want you to click on this gear cog right here. As you can see, it says manage. So tap here on manage to access these settings right here. So once you see settings, right under it, the second option should be AutoPay. Okay, I want you to tap on AutoPay, and then here under settings again, you should see this option, cancel AutoPay. Okay, now to turn off AutoPay, I want you to tap on cancel AutoPay, and then where it gives you this prompt asking you whether you're sure, then tap on yes. And after this, you'll have to just manually make payments to your credit cards. Remember, you can turn it on again later on. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.